Today I want to talk about something that a lot of people struggle with when it comes to digital marketing. How do you have success with no followers? I'm here to tell you that you don't need a massive following to get started, and you don't need to have thousands of fans or subscribers to make it in the digital world. In fact, you just need a few key things to get the ball rolling. So let's break it down. In my opinion, there's only one way to succeed in any business, whether it's online or offline, and that's having a good product that people are looking for. This is the foundation of everything. If your product or services solves a real problem or fulfills a need, people will come to you. It doesn't matter if you have 1 follower or 1,000. The key is to offer something that people actually want and need. The second thing you need to know is who you're looking for. You have to know your audience, who they are, what they want, and how your product can help them. Now let's talk about the next part, getting your audience to know you. In any business, people do business with people they know, like, and trust, period. But how do you build trust when you have no followers? It all comes down to being yourself and being consistent. You have to show up, post regularly, and let people get to know you for who you really are. Be authentic, be honest. Show them that you care about them and you're there to help them solve their problems. The more consistent you are in showing up and delivering value, the more trust you'll build with your audience. Relationships isn't just about posting on social media and sending emails. It's about having genuine conversations and being open with your audience. Just like any other business, you have to be real with people. You want them to know that you're not just out there to make a quick buck. You genuinely want to serve their needs. That's exactly how I built a successful bar business in the 1980s and 90s, and later with a veterans organization I managed in my 50s and 60s. It started with a failing bar, and after building it up to get remodeled and some hard work, it became a thriving venue. But it wasn't magic. It was about knowing the customers, building trust, providing good service, and being consistent with it. That same principle applies to digital marketing. Whether you're selling a product, offering a service, or promoting an idea, the process is the same. Put out a good product, serve your audience, and build trust. Now I know what you're thinking, but Bear, how can I do all this if I have no followers? And here's the simple truth. You just have to get started. That's it. You can't wait till you have a big following to start. You just need to show up, be consistent, and be yourself. At first, it might feel like you're talking to no one, but that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. The more content you create, the more you'll find your tribe. People who resonate with you and your message. Just focus on the people that are there, and over time that will grow. So here's a bit about my journey. At 68 years old, I was ready to move on from the bar business, but to be honest, I just couldn't afford to retire yet. I knew I wanted to work from home, part-time, and still make good money. That's when a trusted friend of mine introduced me to digital marketing. Now, I'll be honest, at the time I had no experience with digital marketing and I had no followers. But she assured me I could succeed if I followed a simple step-by-step plan and stayed consistent. And you know what? She was right. It wasn't instant, but I stuck with it, and I'm very happy how things are going. And the best part is, I get to work from home on my own schedule and make good money, all while helping others build their own digital businesses. If you're watching this and you're thinking, hey, I'd like to learn more about how this works, I'd love to share the details with you. I'm happy to send you a free 15-minute video that explains exactly how my digital marketing business works, step by step. You can watch it at your own pace with no pressure or obligation. After that, you can decide if this is something you'd like to consider for yourself. Just say more info in the comments below, and I'll send you the video. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about how many followers you have. It's about showing up, being consistent, and building relationships. If I can do it, you can too. I look forward to hearing from you and getting to know you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.